and we're going to begin by importing the image of the little girl with glasses. So I have her in the image inside of my preview pane up here inside of my Adobe Photoshop. Next thing we're going to do is go to File, and we're going to go down to Export, and we're going to Save for the Web Legacy. We're next going to click on the To Up tab. We're now going to go up and select the hand tool, and we're going to be able to use the hand tool to center the little girl's image inside of the viewing pane. So I can just now drag left or right the little girl's image until I have it centered. Now we're going to go over to the right, up to the top, and we're going to click on where it says Preset. We're going to pull that down, and we're going to select JPEG High. We now have some information down here at the bottom of the image where we can find out the properties of this particular image, and we know that the JPEG is a 60 quality, and we get some information about the download speed and the size of the actual image. So it's approximately 7.87 KB in size, and if we pull down this download speed button, we can then see what the download speeds are if we leave the quality of this image as it currently is. So this is our Save for the Web dialog box. We can now close this. We're done. That brings us back to our upload image, and it has been modified using the Save for the Web. We're now ready to go ahead and save our changes. So if we close out our Adobe Photoshop, we're given the option to either save it or to cancel the changes. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about completing our Week 3 assignment for Lesson 6. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was presented to you in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in the discussions.